Alright, it's Saturday and it has been a long morning. Actually, it's mid-afternoon, but we got an early start. This is what I got right now. It is decaf. Alright, we took the car for its routine maintenance and it just, I don't know, it took a while, so that's where we've been all day. And I personally don't like Starbucks. I think it smells like a skunk. Really, honestly, you'll be anywhere near a Starbucks, it smells like a skunk.
How do you really feel about it?
Dunkin' is okay.
But how do you really
But honestly, I prefer Krispy Kreme. And I also prefer their donuts.
But how do you pour a decaf coffee with milk in it?
No, I'm not going there. But we decided to get some donuts too when we were in there, and they had one.
No, we didn't get any donuts.
They had one of the Halloween donuts, so
we looked at it. We didn't get it.
we're gonna take them home, and
Crap,
I'll get that one out. And
you're like showing the box in the back seat.
yeah, well, yeah, we got a half dozen.
Well, hey,
I didn't say we're gonna eat them all right now.
they're the kind that Chip likes.
No, absolutely not. All right,
I
so
miss my dog.
anyway, when we get home and open them up, yeah, Chip's been in the kennel for a while, so we're heading home, get him out, let him stretch his legs. So
Okay, it's been like a maintenance type of weekend today. Like
yeah,
this weekend.
right. All right, well, we'll show you the Halloween one that we got. That was all they had left. So that one, not just one donut.
They had more than one.
Well,
We only bought one. Well, we only got one for Chip.
They had one of that type.
We got one for Paula.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, right. So we can show it to her. We got the donut for the video, so everybody can see it.
Yeah, we're not going to eat it. We just got it for the
we
video.
don't say that. We just don't. If you don't say anything, then you're not lying about it. You just.
We got the donuts
to
eat.
video.
We got the
You
donuts
got
to
donuts
eat.
for the video.
We're going to eat the donuts.
Oh God.
All right, we just got home. Took Mr. Chipper out. All right, there's the Halloween one that we got. Oh, I hear Glovesy with the black cat. You gotta check it out, Glovesy. There's a cat on this one. And then this is my go-to. Kurt got some jelly filled. What is that, raspberry?
Yep.
And then like cream filled. We're not gonna sit and eat these in one sitting, but we're gonna try them. Hello, and look, we have a visitor.
Come on.
We have a visitor.
Oh, look.
Oh, look at the baby. Look at that girl.
She go girl.
All right, well, I'm gonna.
Razor sharp claw.
Yes, she does. I'm assuming this is edible.
It says no. It'll turn you into a pumpkin.
Oh well, I guess I'll be a pumpkin. Yeah, it's just like white chocolate.
She got such fresh breath.
Uh-huh. Hey, baby. Okay. What's she doing?
Rubbing her face on my phone.
Pretty girl.
Yep. She doesn't like it when we're gone all day.
No.
And then she won't come into the den because Chipper's in there.
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to open this. I'm going to cut into this donut and see what's inside. All right, I pulled the cat off and ate it. That sounds weird, doesn't it?
I don't eat my cat.
She's rubbing up against me. She's on the stool. We'll pick it up and let's see.
I don't want to pick up your donut. That's weird.
Okay, then don't. Okay.
It's just a cream-filled donut.
Uh-huh. All right, well. All right, which one is that? The
Raspberry.
raspberry. Yeah, I have never liked that kind, but I am going to try this one. Again, there it is up close. Somebody thinks she's going to get on the counter. No, ma'am. But just a cream-filled donut. That's all it is. But there it is. You can see I got the. You can see I got the little sliders. Put this one on. So I took the coffee that I got from Krispy Kreme and put it in here. Keep it hot. It's good. So what are your thoughts? Are they just average? Or are they the same as everybody else or what? Chip, have you been lonely today?
Are you lonely?
He's been by himself most of the morning. Hey, buddy.